Have you ever had one of those moments where you wanted to crawl under a table and just hide? Well, today I'm going to share my most embarrassing moment as a legal nurse consultant. And trust me, it's a pretty good one. If you've ever felt like you were in over your head or you're just worried about making a rookie mistake, this video might be for you. And stick around because by the end, you'll see why this cringeworthy moment was a true turning point for me and how it inspired me to really create a program that truly helps LNCs avoid these kinds of mistakes. So here's what happened. I was working with my very first attorney, and it was on a med-mal defense case. I was so excited to prove myself and to show him that I was the right person for the job. I'd completed a full chronology, a full report, torn apart opposing counsel's expert affidavit. I'd assisted in him forming deposition questions and cross-examination questions. And I had many one-on-one discussions with him about the case. In short, I had gained his trust. But there was one tiny problem with it. For months, I kept referring to the plaintiff as the prosecution. I didn't think much of it after all. They were the ones bringing the case, right? And then, one day, after months of working together and building a great relationship, my attorney kind of gently pulled me aside and said, "Hey, Randy, I need to tell you something. You're still pretty new to working on legal cases, right?" I was totally embarrassed that it was that obvious, honestly, but I told him, yeah, he was my very first attorney client. And this was my very first case. He was super understanding and was honestly honored to be my first attorney client. But then he said, well, in civil cases like med-mal, we don't call them the prosecution. That's only in criminal cases. In civil cases, it's called the plaintiff. I was mortified. I had been making this mistake for so many months and nobody ever said anything. So, of course, I immediately apologized and I was so grateful for him being understanding, but I couldn't believe that I had missed something so basic. And here's the kicker. If you don't know this, I had already taken 2 other LNC training courses before this moment. How had I not learned this? That moment was a wake-up call for me. I realized that there were gaps in my knowledge. Gaps that could have been avoided with the right training and mentorship. I then researched every course available and I came to the realization that there truly were no comprehensive courses out there. That embarrassing moment was a big part of why I decided to start Catalyst Coaching and Mentoring. I truly don't want other nurses to go through what I went through, feeling unprepared, making avoidable mistakes, and worrying about whether or not they're doing things the right way. So at Catalyst, we don't just teach you like the basics, we give you everything you need to be massively successful in the field. From understanding legal terminology, creating superior work products, walking you step by step on how to establish, launch, and scale a successful business, we cover it all. And our clients at Catalyst consistently outperform other LNCs because they're not just trained, they're mentored. They have a clear pathway to success and they're equipped with the tools and confidence to excel in every aspect of their work. And here's the best part. You don't have to learn the hard way like I did. With Catalyst, you're going to avoid those cringeworthy moments, hit the ground running as a confident, competent legal nurse consultant. So if you're ready to start your legal nursing journey with the best training and mentorship in the industry, I'd love to help you get there. At Catalyst Coaching and Mentoring, we're committed to your success every step of the way. You can simply click the link in the description or in the comment section to book a call with us, and let's talk about how we can help you build the LNC business of your dreams. And if you found this video helpful or maybe just a little entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new content. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for allowing me to share my most embarrassing moment as a legal nurse with you.